Good evening, everybody. Myself Sharon Shen, resetting at Kolkata. Actually, I have a problem with DHFL. I have lost my due to DHFL. Due to I don't know when we will get back. Like me, many sufferers are there, but unfortunately, I keep this money for the marriage purpose of my sister. But unfortunately, I have to manage from some other way. For that reason, I have to sold my land, and that was the last money which I have got from my parents for my sister. I don't know when we will get back. Like me, many other persons are there, but as per the NCLT, they have decided to provide us 26% like that, but that is not right way. We require the same equal return, and this is our hard earned money, so we require the money as early as possible. Thanks a lot.
This is Varsha Rudramurthy. I was holding an FD account in DHFL of. This amount was paid by my father from his 15 to 20 years of service, and this was a hard-earned money of my father. He had kept this amount for my education purpose and for my marriage purpose, and I used to manage all my college fees by the interest that was paid on this amount. And I used to even help an NGO by the interest amount that I used to get. Now, recently I had to borrow money from my relatives to pay my college fees after this scam, and they've informed that only 23% of the total amount is returned and without interest. This is how the situation is. It is very pathetic after this scam. So, I request justice for all the FD and NCD holders.
Hi, this is Sharat. I am an FD and NCD holder in DHFL. I have invested in FD and 5 lakhs in NCDs. This amount was given to me by my father for my higher education, which he earned through sweat and pain for almost 25 years. Due to this financial freeze, I am not able to pursue my higher education even though I got an seat in top universities. This violates my fundamental right under Article 21A of our Indian Constitution, which is right to education. There have been nearly 80,000 cases of FD and NCD holders. And the tragedy is there are almost 200 deaths directly or indirectly due to this financial freeze. I would request the media, the politicians, and the Honorable Supreme Court to go to this issue to the root cause and make a payment for FD and NCD holders.